Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an EA account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device or computer. Okay, now go ahead over to help.ea.com. Okay, again, help.ea.com. As the only way to delete our account is by contacting the EA support. So to contact the EA support, once you're in this section, make sure that you log in with your EA account. All right. And then once done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find EA account support. So just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, scroll all the way down. Okay. And you will find a contact us button. So just click on it. Go ahead and type down connect with an advisor. Okay. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now we'll say before I connect you, let's go through a quick question. This will help you understand your issue better. So go ahead and type down delete my entire EA account. It will then go ahead and ask you which EA game are you playing. So just go ahead and write down any game right here. And then after that, you can just tell the advisor to delete your whole account, okay? So I'm just going to write down Sims 4, just for example. Now, it will then say, try the following troubleshooting steps. If these don't help, we'll share this chat with an EA advisor. It will then say, are you logged in to the EA account you want to delete? If not, you'll need to log out. And then just click on this option. It will then go ahead and tell you, deleting your EA account is an irreversible action. Make sure that you read the following disclaimer carefully and only accept if you're sure. So just click on continue. And click on yes, I accept. Now it says here, you'll get an email with a link to delete your EA account and data. Do not submit another deletion request unless you haven't received this email within 48 hours. Click on got it. Now, finally, it says, looks like this is a job for our human experts. Do you want to talk with an EA advisor? So just go ahead and click on talk to an EA advisor right here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to delete my EA account. So just click on it. And then once done, continue chatting with the advisor. Just ask them, okay, that you wanted to delete your whole account as well as the data that is tied with it. That is it. That's how simple it is to delete an EA account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.